I just blew the head gasket.
Tourist and fun. That means tourist drive. Yes, we're in the Eiffel Mountains again, baby. In a beautiful car park with mood lighting. Ha! No games today. BMW X5. Not playing. Yes, it's a center of gravity car. Damn, it's loud in this car park. There's someone revving their car trying to fix their boost pipes or some crap like that. Anyway, we're out of here. You know, a high center of gravity BMW X5 with a secret map. Yes, we've mapped this car through the ECU. We've got a gunshot tune. It's ridiculous. Restricted to a 30-mile limit as you're coming out of the Nurburgring. We've got to follow the rules. I might even take it up to 28 or something like that. Hey, come on. Okay, I'm getting too excited. We're going to get banned from the Nurburgring, so let's not do that. Let's respect the rules and follow the traffic laws. Speaking of traffic laws, the Nurburgring, 12.9 miles of toll road. Yes. Won't believe it, 12.9 miles of toll road that you overtake on the left hand side, because we're following Germany rules, baby. Oh my gosh, I'm getting excited because we are flying. Let's try a bit of off-road action in our high center of gravity X5, baby. It does it. But of course, we've got road tires for this track that is kind of like a rally cross stage in a little way. But anyways, we found some traffic. We're gonna overtake as many cars as we can in our boosted BMW X5 that we're riding on our sim rig. If you haven't realized that, we've got triple screen, baby, 65-inch on either side, either window, 65-inch, rocking a Fanatec steering wheel, 100% force feedback on the pedals. We got clutch, brake, gas, or clutch, brake, accelerator, whichever way you want to see it. I don't actually have an 8 shifter on at the moment because we're using paddle shift, gearbox, baby. That takes the clutch out of question. But anyway, difficulty settings are on maximum difficulty. AI is leaving me because it's on maximum difficulty. No ABS, no traction control, no stability control, baby. Just pure driver skill. Send it. Let's talk more action. I'ma shut up. I'ma give it a full send, baby, for y'all. Sit back, relax, hold on to your beers or something. Let's get it. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button, bro. I only got about 2 likes usually, so come on, give me 3.
I just blew the head gasket. No. Who's smoking, bruh? Oh, son. Well, I'm out.